All right, so for this moment, we will have another topic. Okay, so I have here the objectives for this lesson. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the different declamation guide, radio broadcasting guide, and in-flight passenger announcements. Define and differentiate the declamation guides, radio broadcasting guides, and in-flight passenger announcement, and apply the various guides in declamation speeches, radio broadcasting, and in-flight passenger announcements. All right. For declamation, okay, so declamation is the action or art of declaiming, the repeating or uttering a speech, etc., with studied intonation and gesture. Okay. So that is declamation, okay? So, syempre, kapag nagde-declaim kayo, hindi lang yon basta parang nagbabasa ka lang, okay? Sometimes you need to have the gestures, the movement of your body, okay? The eye-to-eye contact, the intonation, those things, no? It should be in total package. Unlike when you were reading, syempre, basa lang, no? But then, if you were having this declamation, you need to have or you need to put your emotion into it, okay? Otherwise, syempre, try to imagine kung pag nagde-declamation kayo but then walang feelings, no? So, ang pangit naman pag ganon. Okay, so I have here the guidelines in declamation. Of course, the first one is piece selection, okay? So, piece selection, it's important. The first thing first, no? That's why nasa pinakauna siya. Ano ibig sabihin, okay? Siyempre, when you were to choose your speech or declamation or whatever piece na yan, you need to know the piece selection. You need to decide it first kung ano ba yung dapat mong i-ano, gawin, no? For your audience or for your listeners. Okay, let's say for example, okay? Try for example, let's say for example, no? Na ang audience no ay mga kids, okay? For example. But then, okay, ang declamation nyo, it's all about love, no? So, do you think the kids would relate to it? No. So, example, okay, this declamation piece na meron ako when I was in high school. So, hindi ko na masyadong kabisado, but the title of the declamation piece is The Lady or the Tiger, okay? The story of a lady or the tiger, parang it's a love story, no? It's a love story between a royal family and a commoner, okay? So the girl is from royal family, of course. So nasa batas nila, of course, nasa ano na, syempre, mapapangasawa niya, it's a royal family din, no? But however, the woman fell in love with a commoner, okay? So it's just an ordinary people, no? Doon lang siya na in love. And then the family, the king knows about her secret, no? Na in love pala siya sa lalaki na yun. So doon, that time, every time kapag may paparusahan, so ang nagiging hatol doon, it's they're gonna choose between two doors, no? Okay, so yung naging hatol doon is that's why it's the lady or the tiger because the first door, okay, so the man will have to choose between two doors, okay? The first door would be a lady. There is a beautiful lady. And if that love of hers would open to that first door, for example, the first door is the beautiful lady, then a wedding ceremony will immediately take place, okay? But if this love of hers will open to the second door, okay, there is a tiger, okay? So if it happens that he opens the door with a hungry and ferocious tiger, so definitely from that moment on, that man will be fed on the tiger, okay? So but before the night of the before the what do you call this one? Before a night before, okay? A night before the trial, no? So the love of her life, okay? So, nakakulong, no? Of course. So, ang ginawa ng babae, okay, she sneaked out at the palace back door and showered those prison guards with cash and jewelry. Okay? So, parang inalam niya kung saang door. Okay? So now, ang ending nung piece na yon, it's not really na binigyan ng justice kung ano ba yung binukas na pinto. So doon naiiwan yung kasi doon sa last part, nung time na huhusgahan na yung lalaki, so nagbigay siya ng sign, tumingin siya sa babaeng minamahal niya, and that love of her life, the love of his life, parang nagbigay ng sign, kung, parang nag-turn kung saang pinto siya pupunta. So doon nag-e-end yung ano na yon, yung piece na yon, no? So parang naiwan ang mga audience, naiwan ang mga listeners sa ere of which one ba talaga? So palaisipan, no? Well, definitely, if it is pure love, so 'di ba? So kung tunay na magmamahal 'yon, so I think syempre mas gugustuhin niya na lang na makasal yung lalaki na 'yon doon sa babae, no? If you really if you really love that person, parang mas gustuhin mo na lang 'yon kaysa naman makain siya ng tiger, no? Pero if that kasi hindi naman iba-iba naman tayo ng mindset, no? If that is greedy na pagmamahal, no? So definitely, ang pipiliin niya ay sa tiger, malamang siguro what she has on mind is, for example, kung hindi ka rin lang maging akin, walang magmamay-ari sa'yo. No, 'di ba? May ganun kasi na mindset. So it's up to them. It's up to the girl, no? O kung ano, alin talaga ang pinili niya. Okay? Sorry. So try to imagine if you are that kind of person, no? I'm sorry. Try to imagine kung kayo yun. Okay? Try to imagine din, kung yung kind ng peace na yun, yun ang ibibigay nyo sa audience nyo, and then your audience is just children, mga kids. So, di ba? So, maaring siguro dun sa last part na the man will gonna choose na between two doors. So, medyo siguro somehow mag-aano yung attention ng mga bata. But for that part lang. However, paano naman the entire piece, no? So, hindi sila makakakonect. It's because, of course, they were just kids, did not yet been in love, no? Hindi pa naman in love. So, in that way, hindi sila makaka-relate. So, importante ang piece selection. Know your audience. In that way, you would come up with a good piece that's right and suitable for them, no? Okay. So, of course, another is analysis. Of course, kailangan to, no? Next, we have the introduction, the eye-to-eye contact, the facials, the gestures, the movements, and the vocals. All these are the guidelines in declamation, okay? So, kailangan may eye-to-eye contact, syempre, to connect to your audience, may facial expressions, no? Syempre nga, kasi it's a total performance yun. Parang total package, lahat na yun, no? Yung magaling ka magsalita, you have the eye-to-eye contact, the gestures, the movements, no? And even your vocals, no? Yung intonation. Okay, importante, no? Okay, piece selection. As with any event, the piece and cutting you choose to perform can either breed success or impair you. That's why it's important to choose the right piece suitable for your audiences. In that way, it should be or it must be successful, magiging successful. Or otherwise, kapag mali ka, then it will impair you. Sayang lang, useless lang ang effort mo, no? O kapag ganon. Okay. Speech will not be complete without analysis, of course, no? Next, we have introduction. An introduction to the piece is mandatory. It's like writing, no? Pag nagsusulat kayo, syempre, maganda talaga pag may introduction. Wag naman agad dun sa intense part, no? Alangan naman, no? Okay. So, eye-to-eye contact, anong sabi? Adds the edge to the performance. Okay, of course, if you had the eye-to-eye contact, parang talagang, ano pa, tawag dito, nakaka-enhance ng performance, no? And in that way, you will be able to connect to your audience. Facials. A speech without facials is like food without flavor, bland and boring, okay? So kapag wala ng facial expression, so ano, hindi maganda, no? Try to imagine you're talking to someone, wala man lang ka-expression sa mukha. Ano yun, 'di ba? Ano yun, robot? Ano yun, 'di ba? So, 'di ba? So it should be may facial expression tayo. Kung sorrow yung ano or yung lonely yung dapat nakikita. Kung happy yung sinasabi mo, dapat nakikita rin, no? Gestures. Number one rule to always have on your brain, do not use gestures to fill space, okay? So, hindi lang ibig sabihin na we are allowed to have these gestures, no? Na tawag dito, okupahin mo na lahat, hala kung ano-anong gagawin mo. It doesn't mean that, no? Gestures are there just to lang, to enhance, parang mas mapaganda pa yung performance, but not really not to the point na parang anuhin mo na yung space lahat dyan, sakupin mo na, hala, para ka ng dyan, para ka ng tatumbling or whatsoever ang gagawin mo, no? And also the movement. Think of movement as punctuation. So, dapat minimal lang. Off limits, no? Naaayon sa kung anong ginagawa nyo, no? Okay. Next, we have radio broadcasting, the transmission of audio by radio waves intended to reach a wide audience. All right. So I have here, of course, so in the remote areas, kung walang TV, so importante ang radio, no? Importante ang radio. In that way, doon nila napapakinggan yung mga balita, no? And somehow, it is also intended to reach a wide audience. Kasi naman, syempre, kahit nga walang kuryente, they can be able to hear news from the radio. 'Di ba naka-battery yung mga radio na yon, okay? Kahit walang kuryente, walang internet, kayang paganahin yung radio, no? Basta may battery, okay? So, we have here the guidelines in radio broadcasting, writing your script as if you're speaking it aloud, using words to paint pictures, keeping script concise and succinct, being flexible during your show, okay? So, during radio broadcasting, dapat, no? Dapat, tayo, aware tayo dun sa mga ginagawa natin, okay? Dun sa script natin, dapat, concise, tugma, no? Accurate, no? Tapos, of course, syempre, may allotted time yun eh. So, dapat nasasakop natin yon. Okay. Airline announcement, usually made by the lead flight attendant or the captain of the plane as the plane boards, door closure, safety demonstration, takeoff, ascent, turbulence, descent, final, and landing were announced in flight. Okay. In-flight passengers announcement during boarding, door closure, safety demonstration, takeoff, turbulence, and descent final. Okay, in-flight passengers announcement. Boarding. This announcement is usually made while the aircraft is parked at the gate and the last passengers are boarding. Okay? So, maririnig natin to, no, kapag pasok pa lang natin ng airport. Okay. For example, laging may mga announcement, no? For example, medyo na late ka sa flight. It happens to me, no? Na hindi naman, parang hindi pa naman, malayo pa naman yung flight, pero talagang naka-paging na yung pangalan, no? Kasi, yung tawag dito, yung tawag dito, yung pinaka flight number mo, ganyan, no? Naka-paging na. So, I thought that time, na talagang, maiiwanan na ako, no? So, I was like, oh my God, talagang natataranta ako na, hala, bakit gano'n? Flight ko yun, bakit nasa screen na, and then pinipaging na dapat daw nasa boarding area na. So, I really thought so na, ay, paalis na siguro ang airplane. Only to find out na hindi naman pala, okay? So, ang nangyayari, regardless kung aalis na o hindi, kailangan nandun na talaga sa boarding area, nag-aantay na. So, ang tagal ko rin doon namang nag-antay, no? So, ganun pala yun. So, it's my first time. So, ay, ganito pala, no? Na kahit hindi ibig sabihin na aalis na, saka lang pupunta doon, or hindi naman ibig sabihin na pinipaging na aalis na talaga. So, you still have to wait there. But the thing is, of course, parang tine-check nila, no? If lahat ba ng passenger na to, nagpakita na ba? Kung hindi, that's why pinipaging nila yon. Kasi, parang ini-expect na din nila na dapat you're in the boarding area na. Okay. So, pre-boarding announcement. Okay, may mga announcement din na gano'n, no? Okay, in-flight passengers announcement, door closure. Okay, usually before the door is closed or while it is closed, this announcement is made. So, bago bumukas ang pagpasok mo, okay, nakabukas ang pinto, may mga announcement, mga safety reminders, and at the same time, bago din mag-close ang pinto, meron din yung mga announcement. Okay, in-flight passengers announcement, safety demonstration, depending on the type of aircraft in the presence of video system, this announcement will be made. So, of course, yung safety demonstration, okay, yung iba talagang dinidemo, no? And at the same time, yung iba naman, nakikita rin natin sa screen on what to do, especially those mga safety precautions na dapat alam natin, okay? Especially our seat belt, no? Okay. ini-instruct tayo how to fasten our seatbelt, anong gagawin dun natin sa mga hand carry na items na dala natin, where to put it, no? Kasi yung iba, syempre, hindi mo ba basta-basta ilagay yun. Pag sinabit mo yun sa taas, mamaya, medyo may kabigatan yun or matigas yun na bagay, mabuti lang sana kung ano lang, yung damit lang yon for example, or cotton lang yung nilagay mo doon kasi malaglag man siya, magaan. However, paano kung kunyari, mga medyo babasagin, no? Mabibigat na bagay, matitigas na bagay, tapos nilagay mo lang yan siya sa top mo. So, anong mangyayari? If there is turbulence, so, anong mangyayari? Baka mamaya malaglag yun, o kung anong mangyayari, no? So, makatama, makakadisgrasya ka. So, those safety demonstration, sinasabi yon ng mga FA, no? Flight attendant. And also, makikita rin natin yan sa screen, okay? In-flight passengers announcement takeoff. Usually, the captain will make a small briefing before takeoff, sometimes indicating the priority for takeoff. Example, we are third in priority for takeoff. We should depart in about 5 minutes, but there is always an announcement like. So, takeoff. So, for example, nangyari rin to sa akin, no? So, I was at the I was at the airport. Nakita ko na magla-land na, no? So I was so excited na talagang bumaba. It's because I still have classes on that time, no? Na talagang hahabulin ko yung klase ko. Okay? So nangyari, I was really parang na ako, frustrated na ako, no? Kasi ang tagal, okay, hindi pa rin bumababa. So parang nagpaikot-ikot lang siya doon sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So why? Bakit ganon? Okay? Bakit ang tagal naman netong bumaba? Okay? Tapos may announcement din. Okay, habang ganon. So naiinip na ako, no? Kasi may ganon pala talaga, no? Pero tama din naman kasi you try to imagine, for example, tatlong plane yan, sabay-sabay lumapag, and sabay-sabay kayo, lahat ng passengers dun sa plane na yun, sabay-sabay pumila dun sa mga luggages, no? Anong mangyayari? O, 'di ba? Hindi nagkakagulo, 'di ba? So maganda rin yung gano'n, no? Na talagang you have to wait. For example, kung may nauna, of course, kahit sabihin natin you were at the airport na, but then may mga naka-priority na, may nauna na sa inyo, of course, you really have to wait. And of course, while waiting, may announcement naman na sinasabi, no? And then, take-off announcement. Alright. In-flight passengers announcement for turbulence. Okay. Occasionally, turbulence may occur during flight. The seatbelt sign will turn on, and in case of moderate to severe turbulence ahead, the flight crew will make a brief announcement. Okay, so that's why importante nakafasten ang seatbelt natin, maayos ang pagkaupo natin, no? Importante yon in case of emergency. So, hindi tayo masyadong matataranta or hala, hindi pa nakafasten yung seatbelt ko. Baka mamaya tataob ka, mamaya kung saan ka na mapunta if there is turbulence, no? Okay. Descent final. Before or during the descent, the captain will usually make an announcement with local time and temperature at the destination airport and time left arrival. Until arrival, it is followed by announcement from the flight attendant. Okay, so of course, pagkadating mo, okay, for example, kahit nga pagpasok mo pa lang, sinasabi kung anong temperature, kahit yung temperature, no, yung weather, kung maulan ba o no, sinasabi nila rin. And then, the time na umalis ka, sasabihin na, okay, we're about to left the, at exactly ganito, ganyan. Tapos, pagdating din, finally, we arrive at ganitong airport. For example, ako kasi at ano ba yun? Romualdez Airport, no? Okay, so sasabihin yung time of arrival, no? Binabanggit nila yan. Kung anong oras kayo umalis, anong oras din kayo dumating. Okay. Landing announcement. Of course, meron ding landing announcement, no? So, yun na yung pagdating nyo. Arrival. Okay. Alright, so for your activity, okay, my dear students, for your activity, you're going to have broadcasting. So, it's not radio na lang broadcasting. It's simply broadcasting na lang ipapagawa ko sa inyo, no? Though we discuss about radio broadcasting, but for this activity, it's just a simple broadcasting, okay? I know that I already have your groups, okay? May mga group na kayo, you are grouped already. So you have your perspective group, okay? So this is what you need to do, okay? You're going to create a script about recent issues like politics, showbiz, weather, etc. Or sinabi ko na sa inyo yan that you are free to do whatever it is sa script na gagawin nyo. It can be gawa kayo ng sarili nyo, or it can be mga current issues, current news, no? It's up to you, okay? I will not, um, ano nyo, kung anong choice nyo dyan, no? Hindi ko kayo anuhin kung anong choice nyo dyan, okay? Alright, so you will be graded according to, of course, your vocal delivery, that's 40%, creativity 40%, mastery of the piece is 10%, overall performance is 10%, and a total of 100%, okay? So you will be graded according to this, no? So you have to work with your group, okay? So ito naman, sa important reminders, of course, I will not be, strict when it comes to the time, okay? Hindi ko na kayo masyadong higpitan dito sa time limit, no? Okay? But, and then, another thing, there's no need of commercials na rin, okay? Kasi we're locking out of time na, no? So, medyo, na tayo. But the thing is, the first and foremost, pinaka-importante, no? Of course, it should be English. Yun lang naman, okay? So you can decide whatever you want, okay? Sariling gawa nyo ba yan or base ba yan sa balita? Walang problema sa akin, okay? And wala na ring problema sa akin when it comes to time limit, no? Okay, it's up to you and there's no need for you to make a commercial. But the thing is really, it should be or it must be in English. All right. So that's it. That's all for this session. I hope that you understand our discussion and I hope that you learn something from this and good luck for your upcoming performance tasks. Okay. Good luck, everyone. Thank you and thank you for your time. Okay. God bless you all.